Welcome to the farm. We're standing amidst thousands of these incredible plants, which we harvest by hand for their amazing natural benefits.
To maintain the purity of the aloe, we use traditional knives and slice carefully by hand, ensuring every leaf is perfect.
We only harvest the mature leaves, selecting those closest to the ground, because that ensures the highest quality and potency of the aloe vera.
We carefully load the freshly harvested leaves onto the trucks, making sure they are securely packed to maintain their freshness during the journey to the factory.
Ensuring the highest quality leaves are selected. Welcome to the factory. Here, our state-of-the-art machinery processes these fresh leaves within hours of harvest.
Strict hygiene and sanitization are mandatory before aloe processing begins to meet Western safety standards. To ensure the highest level of product purity, every worker must follow these strict PPE protocols, meeting all Western manufacturing standards.
Our workers inspect every aloe leaf carefully, checking color, firmness, and freshness using hand scanners.
Our team works closely with the automated systems to inspect and position each Aloe Vantage leaf perfectly before it moves on to the washing stage. Freshly harvested aloe leaves are immediately moved into the first stage of processing to maintain purity and freshness.
Our advanced purification system ensures maximum hygiene. We utilize state-of-the-art water recycling technology. Every leaf must be 100% clean before moving to the filleting stage. The aloe is now ready for precision filleting, where advanced machines will separate the rind from the gel.
Our laser-guided systems ensure perfect yield with minimal waste.
Our controlled mechanical pressing protects the nutrients inside the aloe.
Pressure remains stable at 20 psi.
At this stage, our dedicated team performs a meticulous quality check, ensuring only the clean.
Precision cutting is paramount to preserve the inner medicinal gel. Our surgical blades ensure maximum yield and purity.
At this critical stage, our team conducts meticulous quality checks, ensuring only the cleanest and purest.
This stage begins the critical transformation of the solid aloe fillets into their highly prized liquid gel form.
Our controlled grinding process is specifically designed to preserve the delicate bioactive compounds.
The aloe gel travels through our closed-loop hygienic system, completely avoiding any risk of contamination. Activated carbon removes bitterness and aloin compounds, ensuring a clean, therapeutic-grade gel. This purified gel will enter pasteurization, next to guarantee safety and long-term freshness.
Pasteurization gently heats the gel to remove microbes without damaging nutrients.
The precise heating protects the gel's natural enzymes while ensuring safety and stability. This rapid cooling locks in the freshness and prevents nutrient loss. Stabilization settles the gel and adjusts to consistency before packaging.
The viscosity is perfect.
This is where the gel begins its transformation into the final therapeutic product. These precise additions maintain optimal gel potency, texture, and extended shelf life.
The critical process ensures a perfectly homogeneous texture and ideal consistency. We monitor the viscosity closely at this stage. This stage ensures the gel is perfectly ready for filling.
The robotic arms constantly monitor the viscosity of the blue gel. These precise micro adjustments are crucial.
By continuously monitoring the viscosity, pH, and texture of the aloe gel, we guarantee complete batch consistency. Every batch must pass strict standards before moving to the filling lines.
All parameters look good on this one. We are clear to proceed.
By meticulously monitoring the flow rates and pressure, we ensure the stabilized gel is transferred without compromising its integrity or risking contamination.
The gel is now fully stabilized and prepared for packaging. Here in the manufacturing room, every bottle is precision made to ensure hygiene and consistency. Only bottles passing this inspection move to the capping stage.
These robotic arms ensure the precise alignment you see here. This alignment is critical because it ensures
The bottles are now fully prepared for the aloe gel filling process.
Precise bottle flow is crucial for maintaining hygiene and efficiency in the facility.
Precise filling ensures consistent volume and prevents spillage.
The multi-nozzle cappers spin at high speed, applying the perfect amount of torque to create a consistently airtight seal on every bottle.
The foil seal adds an extra layer of safety, preserving the gel's potency.
Looks perfect, alignment is spot on.
Excellent.
Only perfect bottles with consistent green-white gel proceed to labeling.
Quality assurance is emphasized at every stage, guaranteeing the natural consistency of our aloe gel.
Every bottle is carefully monitored to ensure perfect fill and consistent quality for our customers.
Labels are applied precisely to maintain uniform branding across all bottles. Labeling complete.
Manual
Now create a
inspection complements robotic precision to ensure premium presentation.
This one is slightly off.
Got it.
Every bottle is carefully filled and packed to ensure consistent quality for our customers.
Every bottle is sealed perfectly to guarantee freshness and product integrity.
Capping and seal verification complete. Now
The
create
shrink wrap adds extra security and keeps the bottles together in sets.
precise tray formation prevents damage and ensures smooth packing into the cases.
Alignment looks good here.
Yes, stability is perfect.
As you can see, the careful case packing process protects the bottles for shipment, ensuring everything arrives intact.
Our automated sealing process is the final step, ensuring every carton is secured for safe transport.
Precise robotic case packing maximizes space and prevents damage during transit.
Once the pallets are complete, they are queued here for the final wrapping stage.
Looks good, just keep the flow steady.
From precision to delivery, the journey continues. Safely loaded and quality checked, these trucks are now beginning their journey to our distribution centers across the country.
It's this final quality and meticulous attention to detail that makes this product ready for global markets.
Each bottle carries the purity and care preserved throughout the entire production process.
Thanks for joining us inside this incredible journey. And if you want to watch more amazing factory process videos like this every day, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now.